Hello viewers, how are you today? Today I am going to show you easy chicken breast cake. This is totally new item for me. Here I am showing how you can make your easy chicken breast cake. Take some chicken fillet and cut it like that and add some yogurt here. Add 2-3 eggs, even 4 eggs you can add, and add salt, some black pepper, some chili pepper, and mix it very properly. You can use some cheese also. After that, when you add the cheese, take mozzarella and add cheese with that mix and mix it properly. Okay, please don't forget to like, share and comment my video. And now you can mix dough with that chicken right way, and after that you can put it one cake form, and it's look exact like that. When you after you put, you cut some onion and take out like a small ring and cover it whole way. After that, cut sliced tomato and cover also. And after that, you take some potatoes and cut slightly, like small slide, and now cover it here. After that, you add some more cheese. When you ready for your cheese, just cover the cheese top of that potatoes, and then time to add in the oven 180-degree and start to make some sauce for that one also. You can make some sauce, take some milk, some cream, and then some milk, and add some cheese again. And after that, when you add the cheese and cook very slow flame, add some black pepper, little bit salt, and then mix it again around 5 minutes. Your sauce is ready now. Now at the same time, your easy chicken breast cake also ready. It's looking really yummy. You can add with your sauce and try my new item.